Every star you see in the sky has a life story, and it starts here, inside a giant cosmic cloud. Inside a nebula, gravity pulls gas and dust together, squeezing it tighter, hotter, until a glowing ball forms. This is a protostar, a star in the making. When the core heats to millions of degrees, boom, nuclear fusion ignites, and the star officially comes to life, entering the main sequence, its longest and most stable stage. Here, hydrogen becomes helium. Energy pushes outward. Gravity pulls inward. Perfect balance. Stars stay like this for millions, even billions of years. But when the fuel runs low, everything changes. The star swells into a red giant, or if it's huge, a supergiant. Small stars die gently, leaving behind a beautiful planetary nebula and a white dwarf. But massive stars go out with a bang, a powerful supernova that can leave behind a neutron star, or even a black hole. And here's the most incredible part. Exploding stars scatter elements that form new stars, new planets, and even life. Because in the end, we're all made of stardust.